Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the third lecture on the introduction to Surah Al-Baqarah is presented to you. In the previous lectures, we discussed the name of Surah Al-Baqarah, the time of its revelation, and the background of the surah in relation to the decline of the Jews. In this lecture, we will discuss the commandments that were necessary for the construction of the Islamic State, specifically for the promotion and development of the Islamic State at that time, namely the State of Medina. Upon reaching Medina, the Islamic mission had entered a new phase. In Mecca, the matter was limited to the preaching of the principles of religion and the moral training of those who accepted the faith. However, after the migration, when people from various Arab tribes who had embraced Islam began to gather in one place with the help of the Ansar, laying the foundation of a small Islamic state, Allah Almighty provided guidance on social, cultural, economic, and political matters, and began to provide guidance on legal issues. These directions outlined how to construct an Islamic-based state system. Therefore, the last 30 sections of Surah Al-Baqarah mostly consist of these instructions. Most of these instructions were revealed at the initial stage, while some parts, such as miscellaneous types of directions, were revealed later as needed. You should know that a significant portion of Surah Al-Baqarah consists of directions related to state building. Alhamdulillah, today's lecture is complete. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will discuss further regarding the introduction of Surah Al-Baqarah. May Allah support and assist us in this mission. Ameen.